Hey, this is Vivica Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer over at Vengreso, and I wanted to share a new LinkedIn tip with you. Actually, it's an update. So if you have endorsements, or rather if you have skills on LinkedIn and you've been getting endorsements, this is going to affect you. It is not yet available on the desktop version of LinkedIn, but if people are endorsing you through their iPhone or mobile device or iPad, as the case may be, this is where endorsements are affected, and probably it's going to bleed over onto the desktop too. So what am I talking about? Well, in the old days, a week ago, or on the browser, when you endorse someone, you just click on the little plus sign, of course, and they get endorsed. But on the mobile device, when you go to endorse someone, you'll see now we've got to qualify that endorsement. And not only do we have to say he's good, he stands out, he's highly skilled, but now we have to let LinkedIn know how we know that person. When I first saw this, I thought, oh, okay, so this is going to take us into recommendations. So now I can both endorse Kurt and also give him a recommendation. But in fact, this is truly just endorsements. Now, what's the downside of this? You're going to be getting less endorsements. It's going to take people 3 or 4 seconds instead of 1 second to endorse you. So that's probably going to limit the number of endorsements you get. On the positive side, the endorsements are actually going to mean something. I think about my endorsements, and of the 18,000 or so, realistically, probably only 5,000 people actually know me and have worked with me or know me enough to actually endorse me. But, this is LinkedIn. So if this were to start today, my guess is I'd have a lot less endorsements, but they would mean more, right? I'd be getting endorsements from people who actually know me for things I actually did. So just be aware this change is here. I don't know how it is going to affect us in the long run on the browser, but I definitely think it is going to have an effect on how many endorsements you do get for your skills. But again, at least these will be somewhat qualified. So again, this is Vivica Von Rosen with Vengreso with your daily LinkedIn tip.